Good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mix a cup of or a tumbler of South Indian coffee. I know that everybody watching this video might be an expert in making South Indian coffee, or you know at least how to make coffee. But I'm going to show you how you can mix South Indian filter coffee in a smart microwave oven. For making coffee in a microwave oven, I usually prepare it with the South Indian decoction. This is a filter, coffee filter. Inside this I have already added 3 teaspoons of coffee powder and poured hot water over it. The water has percolated through the coffee powder and has gathered in the lower container here. So this is the decoction. So I take this decoction, which is a brown colored liquid, and pour it into a microwave safe ceramic cup. So for 3 teaspoons of coffee powder, I will get sufficient decoction for one person. So this is the decoction, this is the first filter, and then I have got milk here, milk in a bowl. This is overnight milk, I am not boiling it, fresh milk. If you want to watch South Indian coffee made from fresh milk and fresh decoction, and that's the preferred way to do it, there are many videos available by master chefs on YouTube. So this is my way of making it as a surgeon in a hurry. So I take milk and pour it into this cup until I get sufficiently strong look. This is what I got, and I'm going to now warm it up in the microwave oven. I've switched on the microwave oven. By the way, this is a Samsung Wi-Fi controlled smart oven. The Wi-Fi control is here. So when I press this button, I can control this microwave oven from my smartphone, and I will show you that. So this is the point of making this video. So I open this and place the container in the center of the turntable. The next item is already here. This is a dabara and this is a tumbler, and I add stevia tablets for sweetening. So now the microwave is here. One is to go straight forward and set the microwave timing according to your chosen method. But I'm going to show you how you can control the microwave oven using a smartphone. So for this, I have downloaded the smart oven in my Smart Things app from Samsung Smart Things. And this microwave oven will be added to the Smart Things app. And once you have that in your phone, you can control the microwave from a distance. That is, you can set the preferred mode of cooking, whether it is going to be microwave, convection, combination, or whatever. You can do all that on the phone, and then make it in the dish, put it in the microwave, and come to the microwave to just press the start button. So that's what I'm going to follow now. So this is my cell phone. I will show you the recordings from the cell phone parallelly with the microwave oven over here. So this is the Smart Things app. The microwave is ready, as you can see here. So I go to the microwave. So in the microwave, you can see the wattage over here. It is at 900 full. So I will set it to 180 by pushing the slider. So 180 watts, and for 2 minutes. So the time, there is a timer here. A timer has been set. The timer and the power of the microwave has been set. And if I press this button here, it will send the recipe to the microwave. I'm going to send it to the microwave, and you can see on the microwave over here and after I sent it to the microwave, the app itself gives a message: press the start button on the microwave to start cooking. So I'm going to click OK, and everything is set. And now I press the start button. This is the start button here. And now we are anticipating the hot cup of South Indian coffee. While we are waiting, I will add stevia pellets to it. You can add sucralose or monk fruit sugar or erythritol. I prefer stevia because it's a biological sweetener and it's made from the black tulsi plant, stevia plant, which belongs to the tulsi family, and it doesn't cause disturbance of the microbiome of the gut. So I add that to the tumbler here. Cup is warming up. So I make coffee like this when I am ready to go to the theatre. Today I have to go to the hospital now, later on. So I make coffee. I prepare my decoction overnight. Pour the cold hot water inside this filter for 3 teaspoons of coffee powder. And then in the morning when I wake up, milk is usually there in the fridge. I don't have time to warm up the milk, heat up the milk and all that. So it is already there. I just take the milk and pour it into the ceramic tumbler, add decoction and then heat it up. So it's ready now. It didn't heat up well, so I'm going to increase the wattage. So I've increased the wattage to full power 900, put it on microwave, I pressed it for 1 minute, and this should do the trick. I'm using this microwave for the first time to make coffee in this microwave. I've uploaded the unpacking of the microwave in a video earlier, you can refer to that. This is the first time I'm making coffee in the smart microwave oven. There are many other videos on other ovens, but this is a different case. The convenience is that you can control the things from your smartphone itself. So by trial and error, when you get the coffee warmed up sufficiently, we'll continue that for further practice. Let's see if it's hot now. Yes, the cup is hot. You can see the steam coming up, and that indicates that the coffee is ready. So shut off the microwave, pour the coffee into a tumbler. You can transfer it with a ladle and later on with a cup. South Indian coffee is ready. I mix it up by pouring it into the dabara. This will generate a little bit of froth, and South Indian coffee is to be consumed with the froth. The stevia tablets are all dissolved now, as you can see from this tumbler, and there is coffee in this dabara. I pour it into the cup, and there you have it, South Indian coffee. This is the correct version of how to brew South Indian filter coffee in a Samsung Smart oven. So here you are seeing the Samsung Smart app. This is the home page, and you can see that the kitchen microwave is ready. So I tap on that, and then here, as soon as you open the page, you have this microwave. The power level is 900. So after our first trial, we will leave it at 900, and then time we will increase it to 1 minute. Apply it, and now this timing, which is here 1 minute, and the power 900 watts, is all set, and we can send it to the microwave. So we will press this button over here, send to microwave, and the phone asks you for confirmation. Send this recipe to the microwave. Press the button on the microwave to start cooking. So we will press this button and then go to the microwave and press the start button on the microwave. So after having selected the cooking power and the time, we are now ready to press the start button over here, and by pressing this button, the microwave, you can see it is set to 1 minute and full power, and it will start up. So thanks for watching. Now I'm going to enjoy my tumbler of South Indian coffee. Let's see if it tastes good. It's warm enough. It's good. Hope you have a good morning. Continue to watch this channel to see how more dishes are made in the smart microwave oven. I'll see you in further videos. If you want to see more videos like these, subscribe to my channel, AK Venkatachalam, and don't forget to press that bell notification to see further videos when I upload them. Cheers. Have a nice day.